promised he would be with them through it. He says that if you endure to the end, you will be saved. He never hints at a second or third return or a secret removal. He gives us a clear sequence of events. He warning of deception, persecution, the rise of the Antichrist. See, it is the belief in that escape that completely contradicts the teachings of Christ and his apostles. So, back to what I was saying, that great apostasy, I think, is this false hope that will lead many to fall. When the tribulation begins, or it becomes obvious there is no escape, and the persecution starts to hit, those who believed they would be gone will be offended. They will feel betrayed by God, confused by the reality they were not expecting. And many will lose their faith entirely. Some will compromise with the system of the beast. Others will turn on those who spoke that. Because so many are following false teachers. That is the great falling away. And it's happening right now before our eyes. It is unfolding right now. Because that escapism doctrine has produced a church that is unprepared, unaware, unwilling to endure. Whenever I have these conversations with these groups, they're like, you stay if you want. I'll wave to you on the way up. Really? That's not what Scripture says. The true remnant, the faithful few, are those who believe the words of Jesus. Reject man-made doctrines and prepare to endure till the end. Understand there is only one return of Christ at the seventh trumpet. And that is when we meet him in the Lord in the air. We meet him in the air. Receive our glorified bodies at the twinkling of an eye. Take on incorruptibility. We do not endure God's wrath because that is poured out after the seventh trumpet. Prior to that is Satan's wrath. It is the trials